coronation, and Edwards revival, or a case of Barack Obama. And for the Republicans, would the storyline be a boost for Huckabee, Romney, or perhaps a resurgent John McCain? As you know by now, it turned out to be an extraordinary night for Barack Obama and Mike Huckabee, and an extraordinary night for Iowa. Turnout was up on the Republican side and nearly double on the Democratic side. Obama rode that surge of new caucus participants, sweeping past Hillary Clinton and John Edwards, and winning particularly heavily among younger voters. On the Republican side, former Arkansas Governor Mike Huckabee had his own wave to ride, a tidal wave of evangelicals, as 60% of Republican caucus goers describe themselves. We're going to spend our first hour this morning digesting what happened last night in Iowa and what it may suggest for the next contest, including the New Hampshire primary, now just a few days away, and that big 22-state primary, including California, on February the 5th. Joining us to talk about those topics, Amy Sullivan, Nation editor for Time magazine. She's also a former editor for the Washington Monthly and the author of a forthcoming book about Democrats and religion called The Party Faithful. She joins us from Iowa this morning. Amy Sullivan, good morning.
Thank you.
Happy to have you with us. And joining us from Iowa as well, Christopher Hall, assistant professor at Georgetown University and an author of a book about the Iowa caucus called Grassroots Rules, How the Iowa Caucus Helps Elect American Presidents. Christopher Hall, good morning.
Morning.
So let's tackle first what happened last night and then begin to talk about what it may take.
他是不是被风吹倒的？
Sullivan,